In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images and clipping mask in Figma. First, open your design file in Figma so you are ready to place images right onto the canvas. There are two quick ways to insert images. The fastest is the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus K. And on Mac, press Command plus Shift plus K. This opens your file browser so you can select one or more images. After you click Open, your cursor will carry the images. Click once to place at their original size, or click and drag to scale as you drop. If you selected multiple files, Figma lets you place them one after another. You can also drag image files directly from your computer onto the canvas. Drop them where you want, and Figma will import them in place. If you drop them over a frame, they'll land inside that frame, keeping your layout tidy. Now, let's create a clipping mask, which lets you cut an image into a custom shape, like a circle, a rounded rectangle, or any vector path. Start by drawing the shape you want the image to fit into. You can use the rectangle, ellipse, or pen tools to make exactly the outline you need. This shape will define the visible area of the image. Next, check the layer order. In the Layers panel, drag the shape so it sits directly below the image you want to mask. Masking in Figma uses the transparency of the shape underneath, so this order matters. With the layers arranged, select both the image and the shape. You can shift-click them on the canvas or select them in the Layers panel. Then apply the mask. Click the mask icon in the top toolbar, or right-click and choose Use as Mask. Figma will create a masked group showing only the part of the image that fits within your shape. To refine the result, double-click the masked image. This lets you move, resize, or rotate the image independently from the mask shape. You can also select the shape itself to adjust its size, corner radius, or vector points to fine-tune the crop. For clean scaling, hold Shift while resizing. When you are done, press Escape to exit. By default, the mask uses alpha, which relies on the transparency of your shape. If you need to adjust this behavior, look to the right sidebar where you can change the mask type and tweak how the mask is applied. If something doesn't look right, confirm the shape is below the image and that both are selected before masking. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.